Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we break down the latest tech and gaming laptops so you can make an informed decision. Today, we're taking a close look at the MSI Thin GF63 gaming laptop. With an Intel Core i5-12450H processor and a GeForce RTX 2050 GPU, this laptop is designed for a mix of productivity and gaming. Whether you're gaming on the go, tackling a big project, or just need something portable, the MSI Thin GF63 promises to deliver. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i5-12450H. This 12th generation processor offers solid performance for a range of tasks, from light gaming to everyday productivity. It's built with efficiency in mind, providing a balanced approach for both gaming and multitasking, paired with the RTX 2050, which isn't the top-of-the-line GPU, but still offers excellent performance for mainstream games and creative workloads. This laptop is definitely capable of handling everyday needs and more demanding tasks like video editing or 3D rendering at moderate settings. When it comes to memory, the MSI Thin GF63 is equipped with 8GB of DDR3200 RAM. While this is sufficient for most users, especially those focused on office tasks, gaming, or media consumption, power users or creators who run heavy software might find themselves wishing for more. That said, the RAM is upgradable, so you have the option to boost it as your needs grow. The 512GB NVMe SSD is a great choice for fast system responsiveness and quick load times. It's a solid choice for anyone who needs a good balance of storage and speed. With NVMe, you get significantly faster read and write speeds compared to SATA drives, which directly translates into a snappier overall experience. The display here is a standout feature, an FHD 15.6-inch screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. If you're a gamer, this is where you'll notice a big difference in smoothness during fast-paced action. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures that frames are rendered fluidly, keeping your gameplay crisp. As for color accuracy and brightness, it's a solid panel, though not quite at the level of OLED or mini LED screens. Still, for the price point, it's a respectable display that will serve most users well, especially for gaming and media consumption. In terms of cooling, MSI has implemented their Cooler Boost 5 technology, which uses 2 fans and 6 heat pipes to manage heat efficiently. This means less thermal throttling, especially under load, whether you're gaming or working on more intensive tasks. The fans do kick in under heavier usage, but the noise level remains manageable. Still, if you're doing long gaming sessions or rendering, you'll hear the fans working, but it's not overwhelming. When it comes to real-world usage, the MSI Thin GF63 does a solid job with everyday tasks. Browsing the web, working on documents, and video calls all run smoothly. The 8GB RAM helps with multitasking, but you might run into some lag when juggling multiple heavy apps or many tabs. For gaming, it performs admirably at 1080p with titles like Call of Duty Warzone and Cyberpunk 2077, though don't expect to crank settings to ultra. Medium to high settings will give you a solid experience with smooth gameplay, especially with the 144Hz display. Media consumption is great with the fast screen refresh rate and decent color reproduction. Streaming movies or TV shows will look good, though the lack of OLED means you might not get the deepest blacks or the most vibrant colors. For content creators, the RTX 2050 is capable of photo and video editing, though for high-end production work, you might want a more powerful GPU. Battery life is a bit of a mixed bag. With a 51Wh battery, you can expect around 5 to 7 hours of light productivity tasks like web browsing or working in office apps. During heavier usage, especially gaming, that number will drop significantly. If you're gaming, you'll be looking at about 2 to 3 hours at best. For the casual user who needs a laptop for everyday work, it should get through most of the day, but if you're gaming or working on heavier projects, keep your charger handy. When it comes to the keyboard and trackpad, the MSI Thin GF63 delivers decent comfort. The keys offer a responsive feel with good travel, making it suitable for long typing sessions. There's no dedicated number pad, which helps keep the laptop compact and portable, but that may be a deal breaker for those who need it for data entry. The trackpad is responsive and accurate, though not quite as large as some high-end models. It supports multi-finger gestures well and provides decent palm rejection. In terms of ports, the MSI Thin GF63 doesn't disappoint. You get two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, HDMI 2.0, an SD card reader, and an audio jack. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast wireless speeds for both internet and peripherals. However, you won't find an Ethernet port here, so if you need wired networking, you'll need to rely on an adapter. The lack of Thunderbolt is a bit of a miss for those looking to future-proof their setup, but overall, the ports available will meet the needs of most users. Now for performance and thermals. Real-world FPS benchmarks for AAA games show that with the RTX 2050, this laptop performs well at 1080p. For instance, Cyberpunk 2077 runs around 40 to 50 FPS on medium settings, while Call of Duty Warzone hits about 60 FPS on high settings. It's not going to hit ultra settings with ease, but for the price, it offers solid gaming performance for most modern titles. When it comes to thermals, the Cooler Boost 5 does its job, keeping the system cool even under heavy loads, but you'll definitely feel some warmth on the underside after extended gaming or intensive workloads. For battery life, you'll get around 5 to 7 hours with general use, though that can drop considerably under load. Portability is a strong point here. This laptop weighs just 4.1 pounds, which is light enough for students or professionals who need to carry it around without feeling weighed down. In terms of build quality, the MSI Thin GF63 has a plastic chassis, but it feels solid. The hinge feels sturdy, and there's no noticeable flex on the keyboard deck. The overall design is slim, making it relatively easy to slip into a backpack. While it doesn't have the premium feel of all metal models, it's not flimsy either, and it offers good value at this price point. In conclusion, the MSI Thin GF63 is a solid, affordable gaming laptop that balances performance and portability well. It's well suited for casual gamers, office workers, and students. If you're looking for a lightweight laptop that can handle gaming, media, and light creative tasks, the Thin GF63 is a great choice. However, if you're a heavy gamer or need a more powerful GPU for intensive creative work, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the MSI Thin GF63, or if you already own one, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. See you next time, and remember, your next laptop is only one click away.